Now, coming to the next topic, children, estimation and rounding of numbers. I'll give some examples. In our daily life situations, we say that 25,000 people nearly visited Sarojini Museum in the month of November. So it means what? It's not the exact number. It may be around 25,000. It may be like 24,970 like that, or 25,100 like that. So it is what the round figure of these two, right? And 9 lakh students approximately is again the word for nearly only. So it is roughly, approximately, or nearly, both may all mean the same. So 9 lakh students, they approximately appeared for SSC exam this year means it may not be the exact number. It may be 8 lakhs 99,900. Okay, so it is just nearer to 9 lakh and or 9 lakh what like this 9 lakh, it is 90,000. So isn't it? Like 100, isn't it? Okay. Now we'll do few more examples. Now we'll round off how to round off the numbers to their tens. See, look at these numbers from 80 to 90. We are asked to round off the numbers 81, 85, and 88. So 81, 85, 88 lies between the two tens. That is, they are 80 and 90, isn't it? Now, which is 81 is nearer to 80 or 90, we have to compare. The difference of these two is 1 and the difference of these two is 9. So therefore this is very far away from 90 and this is very nearer to 80. Therefore we round off 81 to 80. So whichever it is nearer, we round off to that place. And next one, it is 88. 88 is very far away from 80 and it's very nearer to 90. So the difference is 2 here and the difference is 8 here. Therefore 88 is rounded to 90. Now coming to 85, 85 is in the middle of 80 and 90. The difference between these two is 5 and these two is 5. But where to round off? That's the question. But always, generally, we round off to the right side number, that is to the 90. So 85 is rounded to 90. Write down. Now the next question, the rounding of number to the nearest hundreds. So how do we round off when it comes to hundreds place? See, 220, 250 and 280 should be rounded off to their nearest hundred. Now they lie between the 200 and 300, isn't it? So 200, 220 is nearer to 200, therefore 220 is rounded to 200 and 280 is nearer to 300 and therefore 280 is rounded to 300. What about 250? As we have done in tens, that 250 is in between 200 and 300 and it is in the at equidistant from these two numbers. Therefore 250 is rounded to the next right side number, it is 300. Understood? In the same way, we round off the numbers to nearest thousands. When we do exercise 1.2, we'll know. Okay. Now we'll revise the place value of the given number. Okay. So already we uh, have expanded the numbers of 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, isn't it? And 5 digits. So how do we write? So first one, see, 6 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place, isn't it? So 6 into 10 plus 5 is in ones place, so 5 into 1, that is equal to 6 into 10 is 60 and plus 5 into 1 is 5. This is known as the expanded form of 65. In the same way, this 3 digit number can be expanded. 3 is in hundreds place, so 3 into 100 plus 7 is in tens place plus 5 is in ones place. So this we can write as 300 plus 70 plus 5. Now this is 4-digit number, isn't it? Now if this is a 4-digit number, how do we expand? Suppose, so 4 is in thousands place, so 4 into 1000 plus 7 is in hundreds place, so 7 into 100 plus 3 is in hundreds place, 3 into 100 plus 0 is in ones place, so we write 0 into 1. Then what do we write? Is equal to 4 into 1000 is 4000 plus 7 into 100 is 700 plus 3 into 100 is 300 plus 0 into 1 is 0. So no need to write. So this is the answer. And what about the 5-digit number? 17065, suppose it is. Then what we do is, this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place, isn't it? So 1 into 10,000, 1 is in 10,000 place, no? Plus 7 is in thousands place, 7 into 1000 plus 0 is in hundreds place, so 0 into 100 plus 6 is in tens place, so 6 into 10 plus 5 is in ones place, so 5 into 1. So 1 into 10,000 is 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 is 7,000 plus 0 into 100 is 0, no need to write, plus 6 into 10 is 60 plus 5 into 1 is 5. Okay, note down. Now we'll start exercise 1.2. The first question is round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. I have taken the fourth question. It is 4409, 4409. So this 4409 lies between 4400 and 4410. See, in tens we have to round off to the nearest tens. Therefore, here it should be, before that it should be 0 tens, and here the next one it is 10. Okay, so therefore this 4409 is nearer to 4400 or 4410, that you have to compare. When we compare these two, the difference is 9, and when we compare these two, the difference is 1. See, 4410 minus 4409 means 1. Therefore this 4409 or 4409 is rounded to 4410. Okay. Now the question is round up the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. To the hundreds place we have to round off. The given number is 93,618. So the digit in hundreds place is 6. So therefore 600. So 618 is after 600. So therefore I write 93,600. Then all the numbers I need not write. So not necessary, no. So 93,680, and next it will be 93,000. After 600 it is 700. So 93,700. Now find the difference between these two and these two. That is 93,618 means 618 minus 600. It is how much? 18. Whereas this one 700 minus 618. How much? It is okay. So therefore which is greater? This is greater. Which is smaller? 18 is a smaller number. Therefore 93618 is nearer to 93600. Therefore we have to round off 93618 to 93600. Understood? Write down. Now the third question is round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands. Again I have taken the fourth one only, 4001. 4001 means in thousands place it is 4, and this is 4001. Therefore before 4001 you will get 4000, isn't it? And after that you will get 4001. And what is next after 4000? thousands place we have to change the number. No, it is 5000. It lies between 4000 and 5000. Now tell me which is nearer, 4000 or 5000 to 4001. 4001, and the difference between these two is only just 1. And what about this one? It is 999. It's very far away from 5000. Therefore, this is very nearer to 4000. Therefore, 4001 is rounded to 4000 only. Understood? Now, the next question, fourth one, is write the numbers in short form. The number, this is given in expanded form, we have to write in short form. So, to write this in short form, how do we write? This is in, this is 3000, this is 400 plus 7. So, this we can write as 3 into 1000 plus 4 into 100. Now we have in the places of a number, after 1000 it is hundreds place, and after hundreds place it is tens place. Do we have tens place in this? No. Therefore, we write 0 into 10 plus in ones place it is how much? 7, isn't it? 7 into 1. Now this we write as 3 is in thousands place, so in short 3, after that 4, after that 0, and then 7. This is the short form of the expanded form of 3000 plus 400 plus 7. Now the another one in this, I've taken fourth one. This is 90,000, this is 9,000, this is 900, this is 90, and this is 9, isn't it? So therefore we can write this as 9 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 9 into 1. All places, in all the places we have the digits. You see, this is 10,000s place, this is thousands place, hundreds, tens, and ones. Therefore, we write all these digits 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So this is the answer, 99,999. Now the fifth question is write the expanded form of the numbers. The number is given, we have to write in expanded form. So how to write? First you read this. What is this? It has 4 digits, so 4348. In all the places we have any digit. Therefore, this can be written as 4 into 1000 plus 3 is in hundreds place, 3 into 100 plus 4 is in tens place, 4 into 10 plus 8 into 1, isn't it? So that we can write as is equal to 4 into 1000, 4000 plus 3 into 100, 300 plus 4 into 10, 40 plus 8 into 1, 8. The same way, another one. This is 7 is in 10,000s place, so therefore it's 5-digit number. See, so 7 into 10,000 plus 5 is in thousands place, so 5 into 1000 plus 0 is in hundreds place plus 2 is in tens place plus 5 is in ones place. So that we can write as, what do we write? Is equal to, right here, 7 into 10,000 is 70,000 plus 5 into 1000 is 5,000 plus 0 into 100 is 0. 0 you need not write. Next 2 into 10 is 20 plus 5 into 1 is 5. So remaining problems from exercise 1.1 and 1.2 you do on yourself. Okay.